Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and never miss an update from Latestly.
Well, she strikes us all with her earthy sensuality. She is effervescent, she is articulate, she is striking, she is sexy. At the same time, there is something about her, a definite amount of substance that makes her intriguing and interesting. Chitrangda, thank you so much for joining us on Latestly.
Thank you. And I've never had so many compliments in one sentence.
So, many adjectives?
Oh my
Overloaded
God.
with adjectives?
Yeah, like in one breath, no. But thank you.
Just two words, simple and sexy.
Thank
Simple
you.
yet sexy. And first thing first, I mean, there's a complaint, a definite one. Why we don't see you do more things more often? Are you being selective?
Oh God, I am being selective out of the work that I'm getting offered. I'll be honest. I mean, any actor would just choose the best out of whatever's getting offered. And I think I've just not been very fortunate to get the right kind of work come my way somehow. Which, yeah, I hope it changes and I think it's changing from time to time. And yeah, but I'm very happy that I have worked with the makers of this film and we are here talking about Bob Biswas today.
So when Bob Biswas came your way, what were the boxes that got ticked off directly?
Right away, the first one just walked out, Sujoy Ghosh. I was just talking to him. So that was the first and the biggest one that got ticked. And I had been wanting to work with him for a very long time. I've been saying this. And I had told him once. And then he came to me with something which unfortunately didn't work out. And then when on this one, it was his script and his daughter was directing her first. So I was like right away, I was like, just I'm on now. Tell me what we are doing, but I'm on. So yeah, I mean, because also the way he writes his women characters are so beautifully written, and yeah, nobody. I think he does his thrillers, the writing, the editing, everything. He's so amazing. Yeah, I mean, and he's proved himself over and over. So this was going to be a crime thriller, and it was a no-brainer.
What fuels your decision? What fuels your choices? Having been in the industry for so long, and we know for a fact that you started off with an offbeat kind of cinema, and then you leaped into mainstream Bollywood, full on masala, did an item song as well that worked really like magic. Um, and yet, your identity, Chitrangda, is more about who you are rather than, I'm afraid to say, the characters that you have portrayed. It is about your style, the woman of substance. Does that make you kind of, are you worried on that front?
Now that you say it, I'm very worried. I don't know. I didn't think of it like this. I think whatever character has come my way, I've tried to make it my own in some manner because you have to somewhere and bring that kind of a little bit of yourself to it, right? I mean, that's what will make it mine. But it's also the characters that have chosen me or the films that have chosen me. I mean, I've really not gone out and said कि मेरे लिए ये film बनाओ या ऐसा character लिखो. Somehow it has come to me. And you're right, I've done an item song as well. I mean, I've done two actually, so to speak, which have been dance numbers only. But I think that is art. I mean, that is cinema. That you are an artist. So when you are doing a kundi or the other one that I did for Joker, the whole physicality has to change. The whole idea of being uninhibited, the whole this thing has to change. So even that I think is a act that you are going into. You're becoming this saucy woman who's playing this character, and that's also a character. So I think I've tried to dabble in everything, but I don't know if I've answered your question, but I didn't think of myself like that. It's always me and it's not the character. I think I've always put character before me whenever I've done something.
And of course, Bob Biswas. You must have seen the original film, which is Kahani. We know the man. We always knew the man, and he was quite lethal. What we are going to know now is his story. What have you discovered about Bob Biswas through this film?
I can't say that much because you'll have to watch the film. लेकिन इतना ज़रूर कि मतलब for me what excited me was that and I loved when I watched Joker, the English Joker that came, and I think when you tell the story from a villain's point of view, then he becomes the hero, right? So in this film, I think that character who got us hooked on to his dark side, to the evil in him, you now get to see his world. You now get to see the reason of the evil and the reason of the darkness in his life and all of that, you know. And I think that is so interesting because you already know the world. Everybody knows the world. वो आपको audiences को समझाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You don't have to bring them into it. They already know it. And now you will begin telling the story of this man who's left everybody, you know, like we are all talking about him. And so now you see his world, his family, his wife, you see everyone. So it's very interesting.
You surely do not want to reveal much about Bob Biswas for definite reasons. How do you then enter his universe, and how do you propel the story forward? Or are there things that you do not want to say about your characters as well?
No, so I am playing his wife in the film. I am Mary is the wife, and they have 2 kids, and he is been in coma, and he's come out of that, and मतलब वो घर आ गया है लेकिन उसकी याददाश्त वापस नहीं आई है, and so she's dabbling with all of this. She's very happy he's back, but she doesn't know how to get the husband back, how to find that intimacy in the bedroom, and he doesn't want to come in and sit next to her. So how does she make this happen now, you know? So there is all of that, and it's a lovely little small love story also, which is so innocent. It is so fragile that Bob's character falls in love with this, you know, this whole idea of the good in his life, you know, of the right things, of this home, of this woman, of everything that he can have. But he has to give up being who he was. Does he want to do it? Does he not want to do it? What does he choose, you know? So I think that predicament of choosing the bad over good, and why, and should he, and what is his calling? So he's stuck in between all of that. And this woman thinks that he's the best thing ever in her life, the most honest, the most simple man that she's ever met. And she's totally wrong about him. So there is all of that. So I've told you so much. So much about it now.
You're always good with words, and Abhishek is also very articulate. We know that he's got that quirky sense of humor. How did you two get along on the sets, and then slipping into the character, become the character? What was it like? Give us a sense of what the atmosphere was like on the sets.
So he had a very hectic schedule. There is a lot of violence. I mean, there's a lot of action in the film. They were shooting everything on location, different locations in Calcutta, you know. So it was pretty hectic for him. But still, I mean, he's a lot of fun, like you said. He's full of stories, and we were just talking about how, just the interview before, that he would always be telling us, ye kisse idhar ke chote mote, like when he was with his father on this set, and then how he would so innocently say, there was this film which was made called Shan, and we were all like, yeah, it wasn't just one of those films, it was Shan. So he has so many stories, and I would just be like this little kid, like wanting to hear more and more of them. So very interesting, even the night shoots, he's always been so much fun to be around. Very easy to work with, very accommodating. Yeah, he's lovely.
And of course, this film is coming on Z5, such a huge platform. When you started out with Hazaro Khwaishein Aisi, I mean, things were different. Perhaps film as small as that, it was an important film, but film as small as that, getting theatrical release and getting certain number of screens must have been difficult. How do you see things changing now that you are out with Bob Biswas? How do you see things changing vis-a-vis content creation and the platforms they deserve?
I think audiences have changed completely. What they want to see, what they enjoy, what they appreciate, what critical analysis. I mean, if you just read some of the tweets these days, it's like they're all sitting and become reviewers sitting at home, and some of them are really good, I'll be honest, very good. So they are very discerning. Of course, the exposure to the international content has brought about a huge change. So here, if you are fat by tying a pillow around your stomach, there people are actually putting on weight, so aapko dikhta hai ki ye kya ho raha hai, you come back and you're like, no, there's a pillow under that shirt. So there's a huge change. And I think it's a very good thing. It is the best thing that could have happened, because it's told us to gear up and, get on with it and work harder on our content, work harder on our storytelling. And and I think Bob Biswas, again, a kind of film where the content is leading the film. It is the hero of the film. For me, the script is something which is perfect for the OTT audience, which is which is looking for content and is appreciative of it. I think that is very important. To find the right audience is also very important today for the films that you're making. A Suryavanshi, I know the people would make the effort to go to a theater, and the kind of people who would come to a theater will appreciate. So you are actually attracting the right people there. Whereas for us to get the right audiences in to give us the reviews that we want and to get the right people to appreciate is probably the OTT, because that's where you have the Hawkeyes of the right kind of audiences. So I think it's great, and I'm very happy to be on Z because I think it's such a huge platform for a film, for our film.
You use the word hero. You said Bob Biswas is the hero of the film. We don't know the shades there, And today, such is the content creation that you could be a villain and yet you could still be a hero. I want to, place your attention on this particular facet where women play important role. Even if you have hero there, a woman could be an integral to the story. So content has changed in that respect as well. What do you have to say about that?
Totally. And it's for everybody to see, right? I think if you go back to certain times like the 90s, early 90s, late 90s, you would see that a lot of films did not give that much of, how do you say, very well defined characters to women. As opposed to that, today there's a huge difference. And I think it's very progressive for us to bring about that change. And also, they back then in the late 80s got away with a lot of things being said about women in their scripts, which today you can't possibly get away with. So there is a lot of consciousness about women and the way they're portrayed. There's a lot of awareness. So definitely a huge change, yeah. And with films like Mimi and Paglet and all, women-centric films coming, doing so well, I think the whole idea of a man, woman is completely, it's good content again. That's the hero, like I said, in the film, yeah.
So in that direction, when this came your way, what the brief was like for your character? Were you absolutely adamant about the fact what is there in store for me as well, for a performer in me?
Definitely, yeah. I mean, definitely. That's always, we're all greedy as actors to know, what am I doing in it? So I was, I was just going to quote, and I have been quoting Sujoy, that he said that Mary is the woman that every man wants to marry. So the only prep he gave me was that जो भी lines लिखी हैं, जो भी scenes लिखे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं this you can only bring through your presence. I can't write it. He says मैं line में नहीं लिख सकता कि आपकी presence में वो feeling होनी चाहिए that he wants to come back to you. You will make a home for him. You are the goodness in his life. Without the glam, without the hair, साड़ी बोलते हैं इतना है बस. Within this you have to somehow do it. So I was very happy to see कि जब हमने edit में film देखी, that how Mary kind of binds the whole thing, which I feel was very important for Sujoy in a crime thriller to have that emotional connect for the audience, because otherwise it is a lot of action and more action, and so that balance that he's created, I think somewhere we've managed to do that.
And of course, when we met last, I was like, and this is a question that remains concrete. It's an obvious one. That how do you keep yourself fit? How do you keep yourself elegant always? And last time when I put that question to you, your answer was like, मैं अपने मम्मी का phone number देती हूँ, उनसे पूछ लेना बाकायदा. But of course, even after so many years, and the question remains, is there any change in the answer?
मैंने आपको मम्मी का phone number नहीं दिया था. Well, thank you so much for the compliment. Yeah, really. It's constant work. I'll be very honest. You have to work out. You have to look after yourself. There's all of that goes through, and get a good makeup artist. She's sitting here somewhere. That's what you have to do.
My last question: as a performer, how do you see your journey? What has changed? What has remained constant? And when now you make your choices with plethora of options available in terms of television, perhaps OTT, films, endorsement. How do you see yourself as a performer? How have you evolved? They say the so-called Therav also comes in as you go along, as you evolve. So in that sense, what changes have you seen in yourself?
See, पहली बात तो मुझको लगता है I've done very little work. I feel like there is so much more that I think as an actor, as a performer, I can do, which I have not. So when somebody says that आपने इतना काम, I said अच्छा काम किया है, but बहुत कम काम किया है. So I think there is so much more that I can I feel like, I don't really feel that satisfied as an actor, if that's the question. I think there's so much more that I can do. But other than that, मेरा सबसे बड़ा fear, ठीक है वो आपका ठहराव आता है, आपका experience है, सब कुछ है. But my biggest fear as an actor is losing that innocence that you have in the beginning of your career. You know, that spontaneity, जहाँ पे आप ज़्यादा सोचते नहीं हो, your emotion comes from a very real place. And there's a certain innocence to it which is very endearing in an actor, you know. I feel the fear of losing that if you think too much, learn too much, analyze too much. That's why I don't like to see myself on screen, even on the monitor. I try and avoid it because कहीं ना कहीं आप अपने आप कितने conscious you are about things, you know. So my fear is actually the opposite. But having said that, I think अभी तो कुछ भी काम नहीं किया है. I feel like I have to do so much more, and I'm sitting really hungry as an actor.
A killer of a story, Bob Biswas. He's hero, he's a villain, and now we are waiting to see the woman behind that force as well. Looking forward to this one. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.